If you get a message like this on your dashboard and your vehicle won't start without pressing the key fob on the button, or your doors won't unlock, it may be time to replace the battery in your key fob. I'm How To Bob, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So this key fob is from a Ram 3500, and the first thing that I want to do is remove the key by pressing the button here, and then the key slides right out. That's my emergency key. And then we look at the end of the key fob, and I'm going to use a small screwdriver and put it in this little slot and turn it sideways. Go to the other side, put it in there, make sure this side's good, and then I can go down to the center and open it all the way. Now I'm going to pull it out just slightly. I don't want to rip it all the way out because at the other side it's hinged and it will break the two tabs. So I only want to open it so far and then slide it down. You can see the two little tabs here, and those go right up against the latch like that. So now I'm going to replace the battery. I'm going to use the small screwdriver, pop the battery out, and that is a CR2032. So it slides in with one side first, and then it snaps into place. Then I want to line up the two tabs in the two holes here and snap it into place. And you can see it's got a little resistance to it. Once it gets to that point, I just snap it back into place. Make sure it's all tight. Slide the key back in, click it into place, and we'll go out and unlock the vehicle and start it up. So this is how you replace the batteries in a key fob for a 2020 Ram 3500. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And as always, thanks for watching.